Hi friends, here's a story for you. It's called Monkey Face. Little Monkey drew a picture of his mother. He took it home from school to give it to her. He was so proud of his drawing. Along the way, he saw his friend Owl. Owl said, "What a beautiful picture. Just one thing, the eyes should be larger." As little Monkey thought about that, he said, "Okay," and he went ahead and he drew the eyes larger. So they looked like this. Along his way, he saw his friend Giraffe. Giraffe said, "Oh, what a beautiful picture, Monkey. Just one thing, the neck should be longer." Thought Monkey. "Okay, let's try that." So he drew the neck. Then Monkey continued along his way when he saw Alligator. Alligator said, "Oh, nice picture, Monkey. But one thing, I think the teeth should be sharper." "Hmm, okay," said Monkey. So he drew the teeth sharper. Monkey continued along the way, and guess who he saw? That's right, Rabbit. Rabbit said, "Oh, that's a great picture, Monkey, but those ears should be a little bit longer." So Monkey drew the ears longer. Monkey continued along the way when he saw his friend Lion. Lion said, "Oh, what a beautiful picture, Monkey. But you've forgotten one thing, the fluffy mane. You know, the thing that goes around the face." "Oh, okay," thought Monkey. "I better draw that on." So he drew it on and continued on his way. Then he came across his friend Elephant. Elephant said, "What a beautiful picture, Monkey. But just one thing, I think the nose should be longer." So Monkey drew the nose longer like the elephant. Little Monkey didn't see anyone else until he got home, where his mother was waiting for him. "Mother, mother," he said, "I drew you a picture, and it's of you." She looked at it and said, "I love it just the way it is. It's perfect."